my sitplek af. Ek is julle man, nie dit regtig.
That reaction tells you almost everything about this drive. One moment you're looking at an ordinary wall of sand. The next, the vehicle is climbing, turning and dropping over terrain that barely looks possible. Today we are heading to Sandwich Harbour, where the Namib Dunes meets the Atlantic Ocean. But let's go back to the beginning. The day started in the thick coastal fog around Langstraat. Before reaching the sand, there was time for coffee, the permit stop and a quick look at the route south. Sandwich Harbour may appear close on a map, but getting there is part of the adventure. Even before the dunes, the landscape begins changing. We passed the wetlands outside Walvis Bay and continued south through the fog. On one side, the Atlantic, on the other, an enormous stretch of sand. Gradually the town disappears and the coastline becomes the road. Once we left the tar, there were no more road markings, only tracks in the sand. The beach was quiet, apart from the waves, the wind, and one very relaxed seal watching us pass. This part of the route already feels remote, but the real dune driving is still ahead. Kom kan olie. This is where the beach route ends, and the landscape changes completely. Ahead of us are steep faces, narrow ridges and tracks that disappear almost as quickly as they are made. From here, every climb depends on momentum, experience, and choosing the correct lines.
Yeah.
Maklik, maklik.
The camera makes these dunes look much flatter than they really are. Inside the vehicle, you feel every change in angle. The horizon disappears, the engine works harder, and for a few seconds, all you can see through the windscreen is sand and blue sky.
Ek kan nie net uitklim en dan nou karretje.
After the first series of climbs, the ocean begins appearing between the ridges. That first glimpse is your reward, and the clearest sign that we are approaching one of the most spectacular viewpoints on the route.
Wat nee.
From the top, the scale of Sandwich Harbour finally becomes clear. The dune seems to fall directly into the Atlantic Ocean, with almost no space between them. We stopped here to take in the view, watch the ocean, and look for the whales we had spotted offshore.
Hierdie normale
Jesus my.
en ek kan sê baie
Nee.
Dis my verskoning, ek het niks iemand vasgehou nie, ek het rondgegooi. Ek so al my spiere is.
Jesus, het is my lekker as hy sterk so swaai, Willem.
Nee, Wendrie moet nou nog aanmoedig om
Nee, daar so.
From outside the vehicle, everything looks calm and graceful. Inside, it's a completely different experience. Each ridge hides the next climb, descent or turn, and that uncertainty is what makes the drive so exciting. Of course, an off-road adventure doesn't always go exactly according to plan. One tire bead slipped off the rim, so we stopped for a quick repair before continuing.
Kyk op my agtertuie asseblief. Hy skit baie.
Hy's los, hy's pap.
Is hy pap?
Hy's pap.
It was a short interruption and a useful reminder of why preparation matters out here.
Kyk hoe sukkel hy hier. Lyk my genoeg.
Ag, wat op. aan Willem sal dit nie doen as hy nie kan.
Ja. Waarom grom met dit?
Ek sal my sitplek af. Julle wat is dit?
Amper 90 grade.
Julle daai gehoor?
Ja.
Dis die duin wat grom.
Is dit die duim wat grom?
Ja.
Ek dink hierdie almal in die kar wat grom sê woe.
Ek het net nou gesê, dit is
Ek sien ek hulle hier voor.
Vendrie.
Ja.
Ek dink jy jaag dit net waar jy dink wat lekker is nou sê jy
Ja.
dink hulle is hier hulle is daar.
Once we were moving again, the route continued from ridge to ridge. Some sections were fast and flowing, others required a slower, more careful approach. The terrain is constantly changing, even when the dunes initially appear identical.
Willem streef.
Nee wat. Dit is maar Sondagmiddag. Draai bietjie. Maar ek hoor die tannies like hierdie. Dus ek ook so bly die kort kry.
Hy's 'n bietjie my styl.
Wag, hou vas my bier, ek ken 'n shotgun.
Ja.
Pink. Kom nie toe.
Ons ek geniet dit regtig.
As we moved away from the ice dunes, the landscape softened. Vegetation began appearing again, along with signs of wildlife. The desert can look empty from a distance, but springbok, gamespok, and many coastal birds have adapted to this remarkable environment. The return journey brought us back onto the open coastal flats. We passed large flocks of cormorant birds. We stopped at the Pink Lakes near Walvis Bay, a colorful final contrast to the blue ocean and golden dunes.
O, daar so, hier. Dit was 'n groot walvis, ek het hom gesien. Daar gaan hy. Wat? Was dit 'n walvis of 'n walvis? Yes, dit was die mooiste mooi. Daar, kyk.
Maak die deur oop. Want ek kyk teen daai venstertjie
Ek
vas.
is vir maak dit oop nie. Ek het weer daar sien nie. Ek nog bietjie na ander skik eerder. Hy kom so halfweg uit die water en dit is nou 'n paar keer gegaan, maar nou ek dink iemand het dit gegaan. Ja nee, hy wil dit nie doen nie.
O, daar sien ek hom.
Ja, maar
Ja, hy lyk vir my dit nie gemaak het, maar hy
Ja.
het teruggegly.
En dan moet ons dieselfde doen.
Toe dit eers
Hulle is bang.
Ja.
Maklik.
Dis nog nie. Dis wat my
Stadig.
Ek kan nie net uitklim en dan nou die kar net so los.
Jesus. Het is vir my lekker as hy sterk so swaai Willem.
Nee, Wendrie, dit nou nog aanmoedig op nie.
Nee, daar's.
Kyk hoe begin die winde baie, dit paniek my. Net nou kan ons nie sien waar ons is nie.
Ek gaan niks meer hê nie. Ek moet maar net so sê uitkom.
Wat hoef vir hom met dit?
My sitplek af.
Amper 90 grade.
Julle daai gehoor.
Ja.
Want jy sê dit vir my. Sê dit vir my. Kan jy my beskerm?
Teen wat?
Liewe Vivian, is nie so erg soos aan. Sien jy net dat jy hier is sterk genoeg. Hier is gewoon aan ek het altijd. Ja, kan was. Nou gaan het warm word seker weer net. Het is 70. We gaan ons so duin op, duin af terug.
Ja, dan.
Net nie op my hoor, dis baie lekker.
Ja, ek kan dan gaan.
Ja, dit lyk maar goed beter.
Ja, maar ek dink ja, maar dis wat ek nou net sê.
Reguit.
Wat sê?
Ja, hy sê dit is maklik.
No was.
Jy seker weer.
Lemon squeeze.
Ek hou jou bier vas.
Of vas dit dan check hier in.
Wat?
Oh, serieus. Dit is baie. Eish. 45 graden. Want nee, nog niet.
Dat was wel die af.
Wat goed is dit?
Skop.
Helemaal goed in de
Thank you. Ons het nie dit reg terug.
Wie die normale goed wat hier rondry 3 liter en
Looking back from above, Sandwich Harbour seems almost unreal. A narrow meeting point between one of the world's greatest deserts and the Atlantic Ocean. But the view is only half the experience. The rest is the drive, the people and the moments inside the vehicle that stay with you long after the sand is behind you. Thank you for joining us. We'll see you on the next adventure.